Welcome to Tech Prep video tutorials. Today we are going to look at week 1 of solid states. In today's topic, solid states, let's look at the first question. This question is going to cover the crystal systems. As the formula displayed here, if all the sides are not equal to each other and two angles are equal to 90 degrees and one of the angles is not equal to 90 degrees, what is the crystal system defined by this explanation? Is it cubic? Is it orthorhombic? Is it monoclinic? Or is it hexagonal? Well, in totality, there are 7 crystal systems, and all the crystal systems are defined by its lattices and point groups. So they are triclinic, monoclinic, orthorhombic, tetragonal, trigonal, hexagonal, and cubic. Today let's look at all the systems so that we are very much familiar with all the crystal systems, and then go ahead. The first one, which is the most symmetric, is the cubic system, where all the sides are equal to each other and the angles are equal to 90 degrees. And the second system is got by distorting just one of those parameters here, where one side is not equal to the other two sides, however the angles remain the same. So we get the tetragonal system. And the third system which we get is by distorting the tetragonal system, which is called as orthorhombic. Here all the sides are not equal to each other. A is not equal to B, is not equal to C, however the angles still remain the same. Okay, and the fourth one is where we have already distorted all the sides. Now we are moving on to the angles, where all the sides are not equal to each other and one of the angles is not equal to 90 degrees, however the other two still remain at 90 degrees. Such a system, we call it as a monoclinic system. I think this is the one which is being asked in the question. So the right option is the monoclinic system. However, let's look at the other systems as well. When we distort the monoclinic system and get two more angles not equal to 90 degrees, is what we arrive at the triclinic system. So where A is not equal to B, is not equal to C, and all the angles are not equal to 90 degrees, is when we get the triclinic system. The last but not the least is the hexagonal, which is similar to the tetragonal. However, one of the angles is equal to 120 degrees. If you see, two sides are equal, but however one side differs. Two angles are the same, however one angle differs at 120 degrees. So this is the hexagonal system. So in monoclinic system, the relation between edge length and angle is defined by A is not equal to B is not equal to C, whereas two angles are equal to 90 degrees and beta is not equal to 90 degrees. So the right answer is option C.